All right, so let's see. Right now, gold has a bearish run from 1799 through this level right here at this area. So let's delete this. Let's delete this information. Okay. So the thing is that okay, here we go. Okay, the thing is that we had a good area right here, a good area where the price come many times to get the volume to go up or even go down. But right now we seems like we break through it, and we kind of continue moving down at that point. We are looking on daily time frame where daily is so bearish. It was a very strong rejection to the upside right here. Um, this was that was the area where the rejection happens right here at 1808, and right now it just moved down. Okay, it's kind of cool. And my target is around 782.5, so around this point right here where we can feel this daily candle, and is also a week on 4 hour, which is right here, 782.5. Anyway, 783. Let's say 783 right there. So this is my target. Um, I'm not looking for these candles because sorry, this candle's right there because well, yeah, it probably right here it's a problem, to be honest, right there. But yeah, I probably can secure around, I don't know, something. Let's see. So yeah, at that point where I am entering, uh, this is so good. We have clean traffic right here. Yeah, I probably secure something there. It can be around 40 pips, I think. I don't know. I'm watching it. Um, okay, so the entry was based on 5 and 15 minute time frame right here. Probably after the break, we will have this target reached. Okay, so let's check it out. Call out price level. Okay, level. Okay, we got one here and one right here. These are the targets for me, and the entry. Okay, on these I don't have a week for 50 minutes, but on 5 minutes. Sorry, but on my broker I got it. Okay, so the entry was around. All right, let's do the short position right here. All right, the entry was around after the break of these candle right here. Okay, so this right there was the entry. Okay, and then if all right around that point, let's see. Yeah, around here. Okay, so that was the entry, and the stop is around about above these candles right here, and this is above the candle, the 15-minute candle at that point. And the targets, of course, are right there, 101, almost 101, 102 reservoir ratio. To be honest, this is my target. This is my real target. My probably my biggest target to set. Um, okay, all right. So yeah, we got some volume here. To 5 minutes, but we broke below this level. Um, okay, Yeah, at that point we just have to wait. We got the trades, got good target areas right there. Okay, so the the rules for every trade that I'm taking right now are just in percentages. Like I'm not going. Okay, it's trying to push up so hard right here at that point. Let's see um, how can I manage this position at that point right here. We have 2 more minutes for this candle to close, and also the 15-minute candle. So we are closing below this level right here, which is a very good resistance. But right now, okay, my trades are around my entry point. I want to see how this will be closed. So I don't want to see close above this area, okay? So if I see a close above it, I'll just cut 50%. But at that point, right here, we break with this candle, and if this 5-minute candle can break, like we break the low, and if this 5-minute candle can close below this level right here, 70, 90, 86, we'll be good. We'll be fine, because the 50 minutes is about to close the same, 30 minutes is about to close the same, 1 hour is about to close the same. So right now the 50-minute candle and the 5-minute candle just formed a wick for 1 hour, which can be a continuation to the wall downside right here to our targets. Okay. The final target on 4 hour is the field of this week right here. Okay, so we close below the level. We start so good. Okay, nice, so good. We almost touch the one point right here, one target. Okay, we reach it. I'm cutting some percentages. Okay, 50%. Nice. All right. Okay. Pretty cool trade. This target was so cool. At that point, I'm going to move my stop at the break even to secure the positions. All right, let's move it. All right, so right now, okay, at that point, I secure the position. It was so good because we secured that level right here. The idea of the level was given by this week in the past, this week right here, this wall area right here, because on higher time frames we see that we have, just a second, okay, all right. So in the past we see on 4 hour that this candle right here, this rejection at this area, it's a strong one. We have many rejections here, and this week comes from nowhere. Okay, so this is the wall point. All right, so this is the wall point right here. We just okay, we just secure that point right here because of this rejection. But the final target for me is here at 70.8310. Okay, this is my final target because of the 4 hour wick. Yeah, we kind of move down. On 1 hour we have the stops just above the 1 hour time frame of a candle right here, which is pretty cool. Right now I don't have a rejection, I mean a wick on 1 hour candles on my broker, but I had on on my trading view. So yeah, 79 pips here for this target. Okay, so gold it's a volatile, got a lot of volatility on New York Stock Exchange Open, which is between 4:30 p.m. and 5 p.m. And yeah. Okay. Okay. Very good close right there. Very good close. Okay. It was a huge drop. Yeah. It goes so well. At that point, I have a runner with 20, 25, 26 pips profit, which is going down. Yeah, it made like lows and highs on this little structure right here. Well, with this volume right now, we should stay below this level and never come back probably for this week, I don't know. But let's see the weekly. Okay, yeah. On daily, this right here is a very strong rejection, and to be honest, on weekly looks very bearish. So at that point, probably, in my opinion, I think we should see gold dropping. This is my opinion. We should see gold dropping. Yeah, monthly just hit this resistance right here and start to drop. Weekly we have a bearish wick candle right here, and daily just got this huge rejection. Who knows? Maybe probably we after the reaching of this target, in my opinion, which is also a good target. Probably we'll see. I don't know. We'll come back here this area, but yeah, overall my analysis for the gold is bearish. Okay, 4 hour we can clearly see that this is a strong move to the downside for the last couple hours, and yeah, the target seems pretty cool right here. Okay, all right, yeah. So let's just let it run and we'll see what's happened next. Just let it run from that point. Okay. Another good entry is probably below this level right here. You can get like 16 pips. Stop loss. But we must have a 1 hour closure below this area, because all this area right now, this can be a rejection area. So all this area. This is why we need a candle closure below it. And yeah. Okay, here we come. Okay, we don't break it. So this is a crucial point right now. We must have a closure below this area. Probably it will be a very aggressive one, but we must have the break and the closure below it on every time frame. But when it's this is what happened when it's such a volatility on gold, I must watch 1 minute time frame because the structure is the same as is on 30 minutes or these kind of. Okay, let's see how it's react right here. Okay, it breaks. All right, probably the next target. I don't know if it's okay to be on 30 minutes, but yeah, it retraces this again. This wall area right there, it's a retracing area. I mean this one, and after that this one. Yeah, just rejection areas. I secure profits. If you are in a position, you must secure something when you. Okay, 1 minute just close below this level that we talked later earlier. Okay, so we know let's see what's happening. It can happen anything at that point. It can bleed or it can just move up because we have many rejections here. But the final target, in my opinion, is the best one. Is this Wakefield on 4 hour and on daily time frame we have these clear traffic right here. Okay. All right. Yeah, there's such a volatility day. Okay, let's take a look for the news because I don't watch them. Alright, so at 5 o'clock we got, I don't know, yeah, there was good news for US dollar. At least we got a drop, and yeah, gold must bleed because there are very good numbers. To be honest, I'm not an expert on fundamental analysis, but yeah, I have to learn these kind of stuff because look at this impact they have in the market. Like, damn, this is so cool. What is 1 hour? The start of the so just the start of the 1 hour on at 5 p.m. was around 50 pips drop. So that was huge drop. And yeah, probably on 1 minute we shall see kind of downtrend, and yeah, this is what I'm thinking. All right. So let's write here something. I stay and look close to my last couple trades, and I decided to make new rules for me. So let's see. Rule number one. Risk per trade maximum 1%. So whenever I take a trade, I'm looking for a 1% risk for that trade. Okay, so this is the thing. 1% for each account. For anything I have on that account, it will be 1%. Okay, and the secondary rule, okay, let's make this 1. And the second rule is rule number 2, which says risk per day is maximum is 2%. So whenever, it doesn't matter how many trades I'm taking, it matters that I have to stay below the 2% risk at that day. So in my opinion, this is the most profitable thing I can do right now, because if I'm starting to lose like 2% a day, this is so low on a daily basis loss, because it's just, well, 2% of the account, so it's not a big deal. But if I'm starting to risk more, well, it's not okay. You can lose your wallet account in one day because you don't know how much to risk, or how many trades you should take, and this is kind of this is frustrating me, and I decided to make these rules. Yeah, just for my comfort level, because I feel comfortable knowing that, okay, probably there is no there is not a big amount of money, but at least I'm not losing my wallet account, and I also can withdraw some money from the market. So this is the best thing you can do. I mean, I can do, because I think that the most important thing is you have to be um, you have to be, let's say, wait, let me check the word. Um, let's say repetitive, okay? Repetitive in good habits, okay? So if I'm disciplined enough, and I know that I risk just 1% and looking for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, yeah, this is so cool. But if I'm not looking at that point, and alright, so the target is almost hit right there. Okay, I just close it at 20 pips. Okay, so right now for this trade, I risk around uh, 5 euros and make 11. It was a it was a good trade, um, and I I got many trades like this one, where with a less amount of money risked per trade, I do I do something. Okay, so with 1% risk, I made 2% risk for my target right here. Let's see. Okay, let's put this from the beginning where it was. Okay, so I got around 35 pips right here. No, right here. Let's see. Okay, no, the stop was right there. 20 pips. Okay, 22 pips. So it says right there I have a risk reward ratio of 3.47. Okay, but in reality, my first target was right there at 1786, where I cut 90%, and then the the whole position just running. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I've made around. Let me check. Well, I don't know. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so it's kind of good. Yeah, it was a good trade. Okay, let's delete this. Let's see what's happened next. Right here, I'm never I never let the targets to be hit because it's just I don't know. I try to don't let my ego telling me where to exit because because I said that my target is here, 4 hour is right here, and I close the trade just right there. Okay, this is like 4 pips away from my target. Why should I keep this trade still open? Okay, alright, now at my broker this is 9 pips away. Why should I let it 9 pips? I mean, I'm comfortable taking it and that's it. Yeah, at that point I'll say that this is the day. I'm not taking any trades anymore, but let's analyze GJ. Okay, let's see. Let's analyze GJ. Alright, so it seems that I have a resistance right here at 157 600 650. Okay, let's take a look on higher time frames like monthly, weekly, and see where we are right now. Alright, let's make another analysis right there. So the monthly is so bullish. So this month comes with a very strong bullish candle. We are up around 900 pips for this month. Was a very cool month. And from a technical perspective, next month probably will coming back at this area or this area right here, somewhere between this and that area, to retest it, and then we can continue moving up. But and all what I said is because I'm looking at these weeks right there and they are just making new highs. So this is a good point to looking at when you start trading, to look at your monthly candle. So this candle is so bullish. I expect the next month in November to be the same candle bullish. Alright, let's take a look on weekly time frame. Alright, so this week was extremely bullish. Okay, it's so bullish. Very good retest at that area right here. That was a very good area of retesting. Alright, we made a resistance right here and we break this resistance. And now probably we will fill this entire week for 120 pips. Okay, let's take a look on daily. So monthly and weekly are bullish. Let's go on daily. Okay, daily was the perfect example of retest, break and retest levels, because look at this, we have this resistance right here who becomes support, and after this candle closing bullish right here or right after the break of the high, we could enter in a long position. Yeah, this is so cool. I have to start watching the higher time frames for each pair I trade because it's so wonderful what's happened there. Okay, so yeah, right there was a very good trade. 60 or 80 pips for at least 150. It's somewhere between 1 to 2 ratio. Alright, so on 4 hour, yeah, we have a target right here, of course. On 4 hour, we see that we are so bullish at that point. We have clean traffic to up to this area right here. Yeah, we have 28 pips. We are so bullish. We're retesting these resistances right here at that area. Okay. Alright, so let's see on lower time frames. Yeah, 1 hour just break through all these highs, and as I said, we have clean traffic up to here. Okay, let's see on 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, 30 minutes just ground's doing a bull run right now. We have clean traffic from up to here. Okay, we have around 20 pips. Okay, and 15 minutes also start to move up. Yeah, this is the perfect target in my opinion right there, because we have a resistance up here. Yeah, yeah, it's not a bad trade on GJ, to be honest. 50 pips for 20 pips. Yeah, almost 1-on-1 risk ratio. But it also can come back again right here to make a wick on 5 minutes, and also retest this area right here to make a liquidity wick and to move back up in this area and probably to hit this 158, 180 target right here. So these are the targets. Let's put the targets. I love this thing. Okay, price level. Okay, so we have this price right here, this right here, this one, and that one. All right, so these are the prices. Let's put okay, what happened? Okay, let's put this thing right there, and let's wait. All right. Oh, it moves back straight up. Okay, what's happened with gold? Okay, gold moves slowly downside. Okay, 15 minutes. It's so bearish. Damn, look at these huge candles. Right? I don't think that it's about to stop here at 70.82. To be honest, I think it can go even more down. It depends on the news. I don't know how strong the news are, but damn, it can comes down to 70.61. Because I don't know, I I really don't know the fundamental analysis. So yeah, probably below this this is a break, and yeah, we can continue down to this side. So who knows? But I'm closing the trade around here, and yeah, oh, we got a break. So cool. Yeah, we made a break. Daily is huge, huge candle. We were clear in a correction in the downtrend, so yeah, we have many confirmation right now, but who knows? Everything can change in a second. Alright, so it seems that the target on 4 hour was perfectly hit right there, and then it just come back up. Yeah, good, so good. Wow, was 1 minute time frame for just, oh my god, 30 minutes, 30 pips. Uh, yeah, it can probably go down at that point. There's a huge probability to come back down with a 10 pip stop and a target of 26 pips. Okay, it start. Yeah, it has many chances to go down at that point right here if this target was is not taken like this high. Okay, all right, 5 minutes just closed bullish. Yeah, it can probably come back up right here at 70.89, 550, and to retest these level. But if this high is not taken, okay, it just move, make a liquidity quick. Let's see, probably below this low, or yeah, let's just see. But it's not a bullish, it's not a bullish thing right now. For me, it's still bearish. Yeah, 11 pips or something like that at that point, and a target of 30 pips, almost 30 pips. Hmm? Yeah, nice. Huh? The what the fuck? Uh, sì, no, pas GG. Come si chiama? Straight road. Oh no.